Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to be making spaghetti alla Assassanina. It's spaghetti the assassins or killers. Doesn't that sound incredible? Now what makes this dish different than any other pasta dish you'll make is that you actually cook the pasta, the spaghetti, in the sauce. We're gonna use passata. They call it, this is a bottle of passata from Italy. This is also from Italy. This is a popular brand here in the United States. Very easy to find. And it's strained tomatoes. That's all it is. They call it passata. Okay, here are the ingredients. Okay, we've got salt and pepper for seasoning, a little bit of basil for garnish, parsley, some cherry tomatoes, a half a pound of pasta, 2 cups of water, and the passata. I'm always saying how you should use the best ingredients. This is one of those instances where you don't want to use the bronze cut pasta because it's going to release too much starch, and you want to use the less expensive one. Come on, let's get started. This step is optional. I like to do it. I take some small tomatoes, these little cherry tomatoes, and I roast them in the toaster oven. I cut them in half. I sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on them. Here, let's get them on this aluminum foil. All right. Get everything together. All right, got a little bit of salt on them, a little bit of pepper, and give them a little bit of olive oil so they roast up nicely. Okay, with the skillet on medium-high, we're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, put the spaghetti in, pour the passata in around it, give it a little bit of seasoning, a little pepper, a little salt. You saw that saucepan in the back has the 2 cups of hot water. We don't want to stop this thing from cooking and use cold water in it. That's why we use hot. Give it a little stir. We're going to keep stirring this and adding hot water to it so it doesn't stick together, and we're going to cook it. All right, the spaghetti is starting to absorb the sauce. It's looking good. Looks a little dry. Let's add a little bit of water. I'll use the 2 cups that I put in there. And now the spaghetti looks really good. It's cooked. Now we have to continue cooking it so we could burn off all that sauce and get it to stick. I know you normally wouldn't want your pasta to stick, but with this dish we do. Okay, here we are about 20-25 minutes later. The pasta's looking really good. I'm gonna use a spatula to turn it over because I wanna grab all that crispy stuff from the bottom of the skillet. Doesn't that look good? Okay, we're ready to plate this. Let me get this up from the bottom first so we capture all that, the crispy part. You see it there? Okay, let me get the tongs. Grab a healthy portion for me. This smells really good. Let's dress it up nice. Let's put the cherry tomatoes on that I roasted in the oven. That's actually the second batch. I burned the first batch, which you didn't see. Okay, a little bit of parsley for garnish. Top it with a nice little basil leaf. Doesn't that look pretty? Oh boy, that looks really good. I can't wait to eat this. So it takes a little bit of effort with the timing, but believe me, the payoff will be worth it. I think you're gonna love this. So let me just get a little more cheese on here. A little bit of red pepper. Let me get a taste here. It's such a unique dish. You know when you're eating the lasagna and you're getting the crispy edge of the lasagna that's so delicious? That's what this is. That's what it's gonna taste like. And the spaghetti absorbed all that sauce, just fantastic. And I'm gonna wash it down with a barbaresco today. So remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.